Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. Yeah, for that we will need the settings and the settings we will always find here if we're scrolling down below the battery symbol, because then we are here at the control center. So on the part of the control center is always here the symbol for the settings here at the top corner. And now you need to go to the point General Management. From below it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th point. From below it's the 5th point. General Management. Sometimes you have a gray icon here in front with some white stuff to adjust in it. Now you will need the first point here, Language. And maybe you are having here a list right now, like in my case. And in case if your language is part of that list, like in my case Deutsch, so German, then tap it and go just on the blue button here to apply it, and then you have immediately your language. Let me show you what to do if your language is not here part of that list. Let me turn it back to English that you can follow the video better. What to do if your language is not part of the list, or if you don't have a list, then just tap here on the green plus symbol to add a language. And I can choose from many languages, whatever you want to have. And let's keep going on here with English. It's better for the video. And at the second step, you can choose a local dialect, because some words are different in some countries. Let's maybe take the dialect here from India. So greetings, by the way. And then choose the most white one here to set it directly as default. Sometimes if the text size is too enlarged, it will be down, so below. So choose the most white one or the one below. And then, we have now English with the dialect of India. As you can see, pretty easy. And I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all the support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.